Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss Jake TV. So if you're new here, I am basically teaching people how to become a virtual assistant or an online freelancer. So if you want to become a freelancer, if you want to become a virtual assistant, please feel free to watch whatever videos that I have here in my channel. So actually this is just my first time na bumalik dito sa YouTube, or if you're listening to Spotify. So yeah, welcome back. So here is a short video that I'm going to make and to let you guys know about this new website. It's actually not new anymore kasi nga marami na ring gagawa ng video na to. Pero if you're someone who wants to explore about, creating yung TikTok ads, and this is what this video is all about. Okay, so yeah, in this website, if you're going to go here sa ads.tiktok.com/for-business or whatever, nandyan, or even you can Google it. So you can actually Google explore top ads on TikTok. Makita nyo po dito yung lahat, na hindi naman lahat, makikita nyo ng mga top performing ads sa TikTok. So why is this important? This is important because you will see here kung ano ba yung mga winning na mga advertisement ngayon sa TikTok. So your client might need this, or even you yourself will need this in the future. So by knowing this, it's an advantage for you as an advertiser or a freelancer na makita nyo rin dito yung mga winning and performing ads sa TikTok. At the same time, you'll have an idea kung ano ba yung talaga yung mag-work sa niche natin. If example, if you're advertising in the Philippines or advertising in the US or whatever country na kung saan ka nagta-target. So by going to this website, malalaman mo kung ano ba yung mga working ng mga creatives. Let's say for example, if you're going to hover your mouse, automatic po na mag-play po itong video, I think. So example, this one. I don't know if you can hear the audio as well. Diba? Dito, simpleng video lang pong ginawa niya dito. Oh. Pero it showcase the product itself, like yung charger. Yan. Example dito, yung tawag dyan, parang headset, wireless na ano. Okay? If you have a product na, or your client na product mo is ganito yung product niya, then may idea ka kung ano ba yung creative na pwede mong isa-adjust sa client mo, or even your own business. Right? So if you're into clothing naman, pwede mo itong gawin. Yun. So by going to this website kasi, we can see how creative these people are. No, yung advertisers nila, napaka-creative. And as you can see, if you try to hover doon sa mga videos nila, ipo-point out nila kagad yung product niya. The user, it will give an idea sa mga user na targeted might need the product na advertise nila. So, napansin ko lang kasi sa TikTok they are more into direct to the point na advertising. They don't have to show you kung ano ba yung company nila, yung company mo, ng business mo, or whatever. So, straight to the point, kung ano ba yung problem na gusto i-solve ng advertiser or yung business owner, ipakita nila kagad sa first 3 seconds lang ng video nila. Okay? So, that's it guys. So, if you're going to, you can actually create an account here if you want. So, this is just a quick video para magka-idea kayo kung saan ba kayo kuha ng idea on how to have an effective or parang tawag dyan, performing na ads on TikTok. Okay? You can explore, you can sign up, you can log in, or you can view more, or if you want to go here, click that one. Or yeah. So nandiyan na yan. And the good thing about this is you can see the CTR niya, CVR, clicks, conversions. Makita nyo dito guys. Okay? May mga comments and how many likes yung product nito. And number one reason bakit ko to i-share sa inyo guys is that you yourself will have the idea kung ano ba yung mga effective and trending ads na pwede natin gamitin sa business natin, or you can suggest is this types of business to your clients online. Okay? Yeah, you can explore. Yan. Okay? You can actually click here sa view more para mas makita mo pa yung mga top na mga videos. Okay? you can actually search din dito kung ano ba yung gusto mo. Let's say for example, basketball. Try natin basketball. So, nandito rin, no, mga sapatos if you're selling a shoes. Simple ad lang. Okay? Yan, mga games. So, ngayon may idea ka na. So, may idea ka na kung ano ba yung isusuggest mo na type of ads doon sa client mo. So, ganoon lang kadali guys. All you need to do is go to this link and you can find whatever na creative na gusto mong ipakita sa client mo, or you can use it to your business. So, yeah, this will be your inspiration, no, sa business mo or sa client mo. So, malaking tulong to para sa inyo guys. Again, hindi ko na patagalin tong video na to kasi nga, as I said, this is just a short video and letting you guys know na meron ng website na ganito for sa ating TikTok, no, magagamit natin for our TikTok ads. Okay, so that's it for this episode guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you don't know how to make TikTok ads, I also created a brand new course about how to create TikTok ads and how to become a TikTok ads freelancer. So you could basically go to my website. I'll put the link below for you to register, or if you want to enroll to my course as well. Okay, so thank you guys for listening and see you all sa next videos natin. God bless.